Are you getting ripped off on your cruise? In just 15 seconds, learn the #1 secret smart cruisers use to spot a bad deal and confidently walk away. This video reveals 3 powerful reasons why smart cruisers over 50 avoid hidden costs and high-pressure sales. Welcome back to Cruise Like a True Adventure, where we empower you to cruise smarter, not harder. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for every seasoned traveler: how to ensure you're always getting the best value and experience. For us, cruisers over 50, understanding how to identify and confidently walk away from less than ideal cruise offers or onboard upsells is paramount. This isn't just about saving a few dollars, it's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions, recognize red flags, and avoid common cruise scams. We'll dive deep into smart cruise budgeting, how to spot those sneaky hidden costs, and why sometimes the best deal is the one you don't take. Your guide to getting the best cruise value every time starts now. Our first reason smart cruisers confidently walk away is when they spot those sneaky hidden costs and upsells that can quickly inflate your cruise budget. Cruise lines are masters at making the base fare look incredibly attractive, but then they hit you with a barrage of tempting, yet often unnecessary add-ons. Think about it. The unlimited drink package. Sounds great, right? But if you're someone who enjoys a glass of wine with dinner and maybe one cocktail by the pool, is it truly worth the daily fee? For many cruisers over 50 who might not drink as much as younger crowds, these packages can be a significant waste of money. Calculate how many drinks you'd actually consume to break even. You might be surprised. Then, there's specialty dining. While a fantastic experience, if the main dining room offers delicious options, do you need to pay extra every night? Wi-Fi packages can be exorbitant. Consider if you truly need constant connectivity or if you can enjoy being unplugged or use free Wi-Fi in port. Gratuities, while standard, are often added automatically. Make sure you understand how they work. And those enticing shore excursions? Sometimes a little independent research can lead you to a better, more personalized, and often cheaper experience in port, as we discussed in our last episode. A smart cruiser takes a moment to calculate the true value for their cruising style. Don't just accept the bundled deal, break it down. If it doesn't align with your actual usage or preferences, that's your cue to politely decline and walk away from that upsell. Your wallet will thank you. The second reason smart cruisers, especially those of us over 50, know when to walk away is when we encounter pressure sales tactics. Cruise ships are floating resorts, and like any resort, they have their share of opportunities to part you from your money. Have you ever been invited to a free seminar that turns out to be a timeshare presentation? Or perhaps an art auction promising incredible deals on pieces you've never heard of? These events are designed to create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, making you feel like you're missing out if you don't buy right now. Onboard shopping can also fall into this category. Limited time offers, duty-free savings, or exclusive cruise line merchandise can be very persuasive. But are these genuine savings? Often, a quick search on your phone, if you have Wi-Fi or when you get to port, will reveal that the deal isn't quite as spectacular as it seems. The key here is recognizing the tactic. If you feel rushed, if the offer seems too good to be true, or if you're being pushed to make an immediate decision, that's a major red flag. A smart cruiser understands that a genuine good deal will still be a good deal tomorrow. You have every right to politely decline, say no thank you, and simply walk away. Your vacation time is precious. Don't spend it feeling pressured into purchases you don't want or need. Our third and perhaps most important reason smart cruisers walk away is when a cruise simply isn't the right fit for them. This isn't about bad deals or hidden costs. It's about understanding that not every cruise line, itinerary, or even ship is for everyone, especially as we mature and our preferences evolve. For cruisers over 50, what makes a perfect cruise can be very different from what a family with young children or a group of college students might seek. Are you looking for a lively, bustling atmosphere with constant activities and late-night parties? Or do you prefer a more relaxed pace, enrichment lectures, and quiet corners to read a book? Some cruise lines cater heavily to families with water parks and kids clubs, which might not be your ideal environment for relaxation. Other lines focus on luxury, expedition, or cultural immersion. The itinerary itself is crucial. Do you want port-intensive days with lots of walking, or more sea days to unwind? A smart cruiser takes the time to research. Read reviews from people in your age demographic. Look at deck plans, activity schedules, and dining options. Don't be swayed by a low price if the cruise experience doesn't align with your preferences and pace. It's far better to pay a little more for a cruise that truly speaks to your desires than to save money on one that leaves you feeling out of place or unfulfilled. If it doesn't feel right, if it doesn't promise the experience you want, then it's okay to walk away and find the cruise that's truly meant for you. There you have it. 3 powerful reasons why smart cruisers, especially those of us over 50, confidently walk away from bad deals, hidden costs, pressure sales, and cruises that just aren't the right fit. By empowering yourself with this knowledge, you're not just saving money, you're ensuring every cruise is a truly enjoyable and valuable adventure. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever walked away from a bad cruise deal or an upsell that just wasn't worth it? Tell us your story in the comments below. Your experiences help our entire community cruise smarter and avoid pitfalls. And with that, we wrap up our incredible Cruise Like a True Adventure series. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you. Remember, a smart cruiser is a happy cruiser. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel wisdom, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future adventures. Until next time, happy cruising, and may all your deals be good ones.